I have been in tears all day because of this book. And before I get on here and just try to promote anything, I want to be so honest right now. I have been slacking from reading my Bible. Y'all wouldn't even imagine how hard it has been for me to just sit down and read the Bible. So TikTok sent me this, the Good and Beautiful Bible Study. I'm trying not to cry because it has been speaking to me in ways that I just thought it wouldn't. So today I was reading the story of Nehemiah. Disclaimer, I don't even know who Nehemiah was in the Bible. I have heard of the name, but just never study it, right? One is going to give you the key moments to full reading, breaks down everything that you need to know in a short little passage. Honestly, that is what I've been needing. I've been needing something that's going to break it down for me to understand. And the story of Nehemiah focus on slowness, going to God for repair. And as y'all can see, there has different other titles like openness, counsel from unexpected places. You see what I'm saying? It has so many good gems. And it gives a little activity for you to do, then what to ponder on, to think about, and then also a prayer. It is seriously a time to get ourselves and our lives right before God. And this Bible study book, it puts the top of the tier of my favorite things that I have ever gotten from the TikTok shop. Ever gotten from the TikTok shop. If you want to invest into yourself, this is the book. I'm learning so much about myself. And that is good and it's scary at the same time, you know? That is just volume 1 of the many books. I'm not sure how many other volumes there are. But if y'all are feeling this book, y'all click on the orange card. You won't be disappointed. I promise.